Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the latest beauty trends and products with expert insight. Today, we're diving into the 13x6 deep wave lace front wig, made from 100% Brazilian virgin human hair. This wig promises a lot: natural texture, pre-plucked hairline, and styling versatility. But does it really deliver? Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. This 13x6 deep wave lace front wig is designed to give you a flawless, natural look. The wig is crafted from 100% Brazilian virgin human hair, which means it's durable, soft, and full of natural shine. It comes in a range of sizes from 20 to 38 inches and has a 180% density, offering a thick, voluminous look. The wig also boasts a 13x6 HD transparent lace, which blends seamlessly with your skin for an undetectable finish. This wig is pre-plucked with baby hair, giving you a natural hairline right out of the box. It's ready to wear, but if you want to get creative, you can straighten, curl, or dye it just like your own hair. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. I was excited to try this wig on and see if it truly feels like human hair. The texture is soft and luxurious, with that signature deep wave pattern that really pops. The wig was easy to adjust thanks to the adjustable straps and the elastic band that fit securely around my head. I've worn it for various occasions, from casual days out to more formal events, and I've received a lot of compliments on how natural it looks. The 13x6 lace gives it a lot of flexibility for styling, allowing you to part it deeply and experiment with different looks. In terms of comfort, the wig felt breathable, and the Swiss lace was surprisingly gentle on my scalp. I didn't feel any irritation, even after wearing it for hours. However, I did find that the wig requires a bit of maintenance. The deep wave pattern can lose its definition after a few washes, so it's essential to use the right products to keep it looking its best. When it comes to the pros, I'll start with the main selling points. The 13x6 HD transparent lace really does give this wig a natural, undetectable look, and the texture of the 100% Brazilian virgin human hair is soft and easy to manage. The wig holds its shape well and can be styled in different ways, so you're not limited to just one look. Additionally, the pre-plucked hairline with baby hairs makes it look like it's growing straight out of your scalp. It's also versatile enough for a range of occasions, whether you're heading to a wedding or just out with friends. On the flip side, there are a couple of things to consider. While the wig's just 180% density makes it thick and voluminous, some people may find it too heavy for all-day wear, especially if you're not used to wigs. Another potential downside is the price. High-quality wigs like this one tend to be on the more expensive side, so it might not be ideal if you're on a budget. When comparing this wig to others on the market, it definitely stands out in terms of quality. The stretched 180% density and 100% Brazilian human hair make it more durable than many synthetic wigs or lower density human hair wigs. However, there are also more affordable options that offer a similar look, though they might not have the same longevity or natural feel. As for build quality, the wig feels solid, with durable lace that holds up over time. The adjustable straps and elastic band add extra comfort and security. While it does require regular maintenance to keep the curls looking fresh, it's clear this wig is built to last with proper care. In terms of customer support, I've heard positive things about the brand's responsiveness, but I haven't had to reach out myself. If you ever need assistance, it seems like they handle inquiries well. Is the 13x6 deep wave lace front wig worth the price? If you're looking for a natural, long-lasting wig with versatile styling options, it's definitely worth considering. It gives you the ability to experiment with different looks while maintaining a sleek, realistic appearance. However, if you're on a tight budget, there are more affordable alternatives that might suit your needs. If you're looking for a similar option at a lower price, consider checking out wigs made from synthetic hair blends or lower density human hair wigs. These can still give you a gorgeous look, though they might not be as durable or easy to style as the 13x6 deep wave lace front wig. Overall, I'd recommend this wig for those who want a high-quality, natural-looking option that offers styling versatility. If you're okay with investing a bit more for a wig that will last, this one could be a game changer for your collection. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. And if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.